Effect of dielectric. Today's concept. Effect of dielectric on capacitor. Effect of dielectric on capacitor. That is today's topic. Effect of dielectric on capacitor. See here. If air is a medium in between the two plates, so in capacitor, one of that one is positively charged plate, another one is the negatively charged plate. If air is a medium in between the two plates, d is the separated distance and v is the potential difference in between the two plates. So capacitor capacity formula epsilon naught A by D. D is the separated distance between the two plates. D is nothing but distance between two plates. One is the positively charged plate, another one is the negatively charged plate. That combination is said to be the capacitor. Distance between two plates. And A is the area of the plates. Area of plate. Means, see here, if any dielectric, that means insulator, any dielectric constant, suppose is introduced in between the two plates, dielectric constant, how it is introduced? Like this it is introduced. See here. So this is the K1 dielectric and this is the K2 dielectric. So two dielectrics are introduced in between the two plates. This is for K2 dielectric. That means this is positively charged plate and this one is the negatively charged plate. Totally the separated distance is becomes half of the distance. Now the distance is becomes half of the distance. How to introduce in between the two plates, two dielectrics, insulators is nothing but two dielectrics are introduced and the separated distance is becomes half of the distance. Like this it is introduced. The new capacity of this capacitor. This is the initial capacity epsilon naught A by D. After dielectric is introduced, the capacity is increased by K times. So this capacitor can be act as a two capacitors. This single capacitor can be act as a two capacitors. So therefore, like this it is acting. This is for first capacitor. If it is placed in diamond, so K1 dielectric, and this is act as a second capacitor. So this is for K2 dielectric. So this is half of the distance, d by 2 distance. So this is half of the distance. Two capacitors, and those two capacitors comes into the series combination. The distance is becomes half of the distance. This is the positively charged plate and this is the negatively charged plate. Those two capacitors are connected end to end. Actually there is only one capacitor, this one or this one. But after introduction of the two dielectrics, that single capacitor can be act as a two capacitors. Those two capacitors are comes into the series combination. So first of all, the first capacitor C1 capacity is nothing but K times is increases. Here K1 times is increases. K1 into epsilon naught A by area is not changes. The plate area is not changes. But that distance is decreased to half of the distance. The distance is becomes d by 2. Initial capacitor distance is d. So but the dielectrics are introduced. The distance is becomes half of the distance. Finally 2K1 into epsilon naught A by d. So the capacity is increased by K1 times. And also the distance is becomes half of the distance. Like this it is introduced. The two capacitors. So therefore C1 is equal to 2 into K1 into epsilon naught A by D is said to be initial capacity C. Again also second capacity is there. Only single capacitor. But after introduction of the two dielectrics, that one single capacitor can be act as a two capacitors. those two capacitors are comes into the series combination. So second capacitor C2 is equal to K2 into, because of K2 is the dielectric, K2 into, so epsilon naught A, area is not changes, great area is not changes, by distance is becomes half of the distance d by 2. So therefore 2 into K2 into epsilon naught A by d. So therefore C2 is equal to, so 2 into K2 into C, epsilon naught A by d is nothing but, so initial capacity C. So therefore this is about the C1, 2 K1 into C. This is about the, so C2, so 2 K2 into C. Both two capacitors are comes into the series combination. But one capacitor is there. After interaction of the two dielectrics K1 and K2, the distance is becomes half of the distance, and that single capacitor can be divided into two capacitors. So the capacity C1 and C2 we consider, those two capacitors are comes into the series combination. What is the formula for series combination? C dash is equal to C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. This is the formula. Two capacitors are comes into the series. Their effective capacity formula C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. So therefore C1 is equal to, what about the C1? So 2K1 into C. What about the C2? 2K2 into C divided by, what about the C1? 2K1 into C plus 2K2 into C. So finally their effective capacity C dash is equal to, so 2K1 into C, so 2K2 into C divided by K1 into C is take common, so K1 plus K2 into 2C. So this C, this 2 and this C, this 2, both 2C is cancelled. So denominator and numerator. So finally 2K1 into K2 is there, also C is also there. So therefore finally K1 plus K2 into C. So therefore this is the effective capacity C dash is nothing but initial capacity. So how to give in the objective examinations? Initial capacity, if A is a medium, their initial capacity is 4 microfarads, like this example problem we are discussing in objective examination. So if A is a medium, initial capacity is 4 microfarads. After two dielectrics